Hello, Discovery Flow learners. Welcome to Flow Space 101, Vocabulary Flow. Today, we are learning 12 powerful vocabulary words from Orange Level Unit 1. We will learn each word through its meaning, Korean definition, examples, synonyms, antonyms, and thinking questions. Let's read, think, and grow. Our first word is celebrity. A celebrity is a famous person who many people know. In Korean, it means 유명인 or 유명한 사람. A singer, actor, athlete, or artist may become a celebrity. For example, the actor became a celebrity after the movie. Think about this. Why do some people become celebrities? Would you like to be a celebrity someday?
Our next word is counsel. As a noun, counsel means advice or guidance. As a verb, it means to give someone advice. In Korean, it means 조언, 충고, or 조언하다, 상담하다. For example, good counsel helped us make a wise choice. Our coach counseled us after the game. Who gives good counsel in your life? A parent, a teacher, or a caring friend can give wise counsel. The next word is demonstrate. Demonstrate means to clearly show or explain something through actions or examples. In Korean, it means 보여주다, 설명하다, 증명하다. For example, the teacher demonstrated how to do the experiment. A teacher can demonstrate a science activity. A student can demonstrate a dance step or a skill. What is something you can demonstrate well?
Our next word is drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy or ready to fall asleep. In Korean, it means 졸리는 or 나른한. For example, after lunch, I felt drowsy in the warm classroom. Have you ever felt drowsy while reading or writing in a car? What helps you wake up when you feel sleepy? Now let's learn the word essential. Essential means very important or necessary. As a noun, essentials are the things that we truly need. In Korean, it means 필수적인, 꼭 필요한, or 필수품. For example, water is essential for life. Pack the essentials before your trip. What 3 things are essential for school? What would be essential if you went camping?
Our next word is hardship. A hardship is a difficult experience or a hard condition that someone must face. In Korean, it means 고난, 어려움, 역경. For example, the pioneers faced great hardship in winter. Hardship can be difficult, but people can grow stronger when they keep trying and help one another. What helps people during hardship? How can we encourage someone going through a hard time? The next word is haul. As a verb, haul means to pull, drag, or carry something heavy. As a noun, it can mean a large amount that is brought in. In Korean, it means 끌다, 운반하다, or 운반한 양, 큰 수확. For example, trucks haul goods across the country. The fishermen came back with a big haul. What kinds of heavy things might people haul? What machines help us move heavy objects? Now let's learn humble. Humble means modest and not too proud. A humble person can do something wonderful without boasting about it. In Korean, it means 겸손한, 소박한. For example, she stayed humble after winning the prize. Being humble does not mean you are not confident. You can feel proud of your work and still treat others kindly. Why is it good to be humble? Our next word is pledge. A pledge is a serious promise. To pledge means to promise something sincerely. In Korean, it means 약속, 서약, or 맹세하다, 약속하다. For example, we made a pledge to help our class. They pledged to honor each other. What is one good pledge you can make today? Maybe you can pledge to be kind, work hard, or help others. The next word is sincere. Sincere means honest and showing real feeling. In Korean, it means 진심어린, 성실한, 진실한. For example, she gave a sincere apology. His sincere smile made everyone feel welcome. A sincere apology comes from the heart. How can you tell when someone is being sincere? Now let's learn stampede. A stampede is a sudden wild rush of animals or people. As a verb, it means to rush forward wildly, often in fear or excitement. In Korean, it means 우르르 달려감, 쇄도, or 우르르 몰려가다. For example, the loud noise caused a stampede of cattle. A stampede can be dangerous because many people or animals move quickly at the same time. How can people stay safe in a crowded place? Our final word is suitable. Suitable means right or appropriate for a purpose. In Korean, it means 적절한, 알맞은, 적합한. For example, she wore a suitable outfit for the concert. This book is suitable for young readers. A raincoat is suitable for rainy weather. Warm boots are suitable for snow. What clothes are suitable for a hot summer day? Amazing work, vocabulary flow learners! Today we learned 12 words: celebrity, counsel, demonstrate, drowsy, essential, hardship, haul, humble, pledge, sincere, stampede, and suitable. Try using one of these words in your own sentence today. Thank you for learning with Flow Space 101. Please like and subscribe. And remember, one flow a day. Read, think, and grow.